Yeah. Well, unfortunately, I know why. Because I lived it, right? I've had this firm, this is 19 years. And up until 2012, I was just like every other lawyer. I had an hourly rate. You would sign a contract with me. You give me about $5,000 and I'd bill against that till it was gone. Then I'd say, hey, give me more. And I'd keep billing. I was in control of how much I made because how much time I spent, that's how much I made. And clients very quickly understand that if they call you and they get billed $58 for that 6 minute call, that's not fun. And so they don't call anymore. And so we built this system to where we're at this conflict because I have all the information you need to make good decisions, but I only give it to you if you're going to let me bill you by the hour. So it creates this disincentive to call. So everyone Googles it, flips a coin, dials a friend, anything but call their lawyer because they have this feeling of money flying out of their pocketbook. So when I finally realized that was what was wrong, and it caused a problem for me where I was getting repeat business